ahon. So, pero for the most part, yun lang yung ahon. The annoying part talaga is once you get to Capitolio area, doon yung start ng mga ahon, and then palaging traffic sa Reliance. Oy!